Pfizer, Genentech, Stanford all paid this Indian founded startup just to clean data, not to build AI. That boring idea is now worth $23 million in funding. Here's the thing that nobody tells you about AI in drug discovery. The hardest part isn't building the models or AI, it's the data. Pharma companies sit on mountains of data from RNA-seq, proteomics, genomics, all in different formats and none talking to each other. That's when Abhishek Jha first saw while working in a drug discovery company at Agios Pharmaceuticals. Scientists weren't failing because AI wasn't smart enough. They were failing because data was garbage. So, in 2015, along with the co founders Shweta Pathak and Dr. Richard, he built Elucidata. Not another AI model, but the infrastructure underneath it. Their platform is called Poly. Here is what it does in 3 steps. First, it cleans messy biological data using something called as BioNLP. That's biomedical natural language processing. Two, it connects the data through knowledge graphs, genes, disease, trials, all linked. Third, the AI ranks all the best drug targets using all the connected evidence. They ask Polly which target has the strongest evidence, and they get ranked answers in just few minutes. It's B2B SaaS, that's software as a service. Pharma companies pay to use Polly. Plus AI custom projects, data engineering and long-term R&D partnership. Today, 100 plus pharma companies and diagnostic companies along with 40 plus drugs have passed their IND stage, which is investigational new drug phase. Customers include Pfizer, Genentech, Bristol Myers Squibb, and Stanford. Total funding around $23 million. That's roughly around 190 to 200 crores. And it's led by 8 Venture Studio, F Prime Capital, Ivy Cap Ventures. In January 2026, they launched an AI lab tackling one of the AI's hardest problems. What happens when the real data doesn't look anything like the training data? Rare diseases, unexpected patient responses, the edge cases that matter the most. And the biggest risk is real too. Bigger, better funded rivals like Recursion, Tempus AI are chasing all exact the same. If you are studying bioinformatics, this is the lesson. The winners in AI and biology is not always someone who's building the flashiest model. It's the one who's solving the unattended, unglamorous problems first, the data. That's Elucidata, my dear friends, from drug discovery lab to the data being the backbone of dozens of pharma pipelines. Follow for more such content. Thank you so much.